Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll be diving into how to track changes in PPT. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. Open a PowerPoint slide in your device which you want to change the track. Step 2. Edit on your slides what you want to create changes, like image size, word add or deduct, color changes, and other things. Step 3. After all of the edits, on the upper left corner, click on the File option and select Save As. Step 4. Save the file in another name on your desktop and click on the Save button. And close the PowerPoint slide. Step 5. Again, open that older version PowerPoint slide. Step 6. Up the top of the option, select the Review and click on the Compare button. Step 7. Browse your new version of PowerPoint slide which you saved. Step 8. Select the file and click on the Merge button. Step 9. You can see a revisions box come right of the slide. And you all change things. The upper corner has a box. You can compare all the edited things. By clicking on this box, you can compare your changes to see which one is looking nice. Step 10. After comparing is done on the top, click on the End Review button and select Yes. And that's it. Thanks for watching our video and stay tuned for more updates.